Hi there. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most popular stepper motor kits for beginners, the 28BYJ-48 and the ULN2003 driver module, and how to test it with an Arduino Mega. Now, here's the motor, the 28BYJ-48. It's a 5V unipolar stepper motor with an internal gear reduction system. Some specs: operates at 5 volts gear ratio, around 64 to 1 step angle, approximately 0.087 degrees per pulse, very precise. Great for light mechanical loads, dials, arms, or pan tilt heads. This is the ULN2003 stepper motor driver. It uses a ULN2003 AIC, which contains 7 Darlington transistor pairs to drive higher current loads. Only 4 of them are used here for the stepper phases. It also has 4 input pins labeled IN1 to IN4, a 5-pin connector for the stepper motor indicator, LEDs that light up when each phase is activated, a barrel jack or header for external power, usually 5 to 12 volts. Let's set up a simple test using the Arduino Mega. Connect IN1 to IN4 from the driver to any digital pins on the Arduino. Plug the motor into the white connector on the ULN2003. Supply 5 volts to the board, either from Arduino or external supply. We're using a basic sketch with the stepper.h or Accel stepper library to drive the motor in sequence. As you can see, the LEDs light up in sequence as the motor moves. This shows the correct stepping pattern and the motor's rotation. The 28BYJ-48 plus ULN2003 combo is affordable, compact, and great for practicing motion control with microcontrollers. It's not powerful, but it's accurate, ideal for learning or small robotics. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and check out my Patreon or PayPal if you want to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.